Here's a quick overview of the PC I'm building for my son for Christmas. We got, for a motherboard, we got the MSI 970 gaming. For the processor, we got the FX 6350 6-core 3.9 4.2 turbo 14 megabyte total cache processor. For that processor, we've got the liquid cooled Energy Max system here. It's got the radiator, water pump, and we got Corsair 2 4-gig sticks for RAM. Probably get 8 more, making total 16. And for the case, we got our decal there. It comes with the processor sticker, 3.0 USB 2.0 headphone, HD headphone jack, 3 bays here. We're using one for the DVD. We got a 4-inch fan in the front, which is 2-speed with LED. On top we got 2 fans, and these will all be controlled by the motherboard. Probably these will never kick on. And here's our Energy Max liquid cooled system here. Radiator, LED fan here, which is 3-speed. RAM. And like I said, our 3 bays here, quick detach. Then we have 3 bays here for our hard drives. And you can see where all our hard drive ports, a cazoodle. I think this thing has 14 USB ports on it. 500 watt power supply came with the case. May not be big enough. I'm thinking about putting 2 of them in here. And it's got the fan on bottom with filter. And on the door, we got the acrylic display with another fan.
Keeping that perfect fit wash after wash. Don't take a chance. Trust will play.
My family, we're close. Sometimes too close, which means we're always getting